Hi dear student, this is the second video about the fractions, and we are going to continue with multiplying the fraction, and the first one is multiplying by integer. Integer is a whole number, and when you multiply two whole number like 3 times 2, it's going to be equal to, normally this is the short form. 3 times 2 is the short form of 2 plus 2 plus 2. We say like this, 3 2's. Also you add 3 2's and you got the result 6. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So it's the same for this one, which is equal to 4 over 5 plus 4 over 5 plus 4 over 5 it's going to be, which is equal to 4 plus 4, it's equal to 12, and 5 is same for all of them, so it's going to be equal to 12 over 5. At the end, if we formalize this one, 3 times 4 over 5, if we say you are going to multiply only numerator and whole number, and the answer is going to be 3 times the first, let me tell, 5 stays same, and 3 times 4 it's going to be equal to 12 is the answer. If we continue with the exercises here, 5 over 8 when you multiply by 36, before or after it is not important, whole number is written. Again, you are going to multiply only by numerator. So the answer is going to be 5 times 36 over 8. And I didn't multiply this one because you need to remember also here, before multiplying the terms, you can simplify the terms, numerators and denominators, you can simplify. So 36 divided by 8, it's going to be equal to, actually it is not divisible, but they have common numbers to divide. 4, which is 4. 36 divided by 4, it's going to be equal to 9. 8 divided by 4, it's going to be equal to 2. So the answer is going to be equal to 5 times 9, 45. Divided by 2, it's going to be 45 over 2. And if you want to continue one more step, 45 divided by 45 divided by 2, which is equal to, I think this is going to be 22, 23, 22 times 2, it's equal to 44. Then the remainder is 1, so 22 and 1 over 2 it's going to be, if you want to write this one as a decimal, that's going to be 0.5, so 22.5 is the answer going to be. Okay, now we are going to find 7 over 12 of 18. If you want to find 7 over 12 of 18, you need to multiply them. 7 over 12 of 18 means it's equal to 7 over 12 times 18, which is equal to 7 times 7 times 18 over 12. Again, it is possible to simplify here. Before multiplication, you can simplify. Both of them, they are divisible by 6, so 7 times 18 divided by 6, it's going to be equal to 3, and 12 divided by 6, it's going to be equal to 2. So the answer, it's going to be 7 times 3 is going to be equal to 21, and divided by 2. 21 divided by 2, if you divide, you are going to get 10 and 1 over 2. If you do this operation like this operation here, you are going to get this result. Okay, let's do here multiplication fraction by fraction we are going to do here. So this is a bit easier than maybe the previous one, because you are going to multiply this 2 here and you are going to multiply this 2. So 2 times 5, it's going to be equal to 10. 3 times 8, it's going to be equal to 24. This is the one of the solution, 10 over 24. Okay, this is true, but before that one, you can simplify the terms before then multiply, and it will easy the simplifying operation. So 2 and you know that 2 and 5, they are going to be at the numerator. 3 and 8 at the denominator, it's going to be 2 and 8 you can simplify, which is equal to 1 and 4 it's going to be, then the answer is going to be 5 over 12. Here the answer it's going to be 7 times 3 divided by 12 times 28, and 7 divided by 28 it's going to be 7, both of them they are divisible by 7. 7 divided by 7 1, 28 divided by 7 it's going to be 4, 12 divided by 3 it's going to be equal to, here this 3 divided by 3 it's equal to 1, 12 divided by 3 it's equal to 4. So the upper part 1 times 1 left 1, down 4 times 4 it's equal to 16 going to be. Okay, so we are going to continue with different exercises, and this is going to be the last exercise I'm going to solve. The others we are going to solve in the class. 3 times 7 it's going to be equal to 3 times 7 divided by 5 times 9 is going to be equal to 3 times 7 it's, pardon, instead of multiplying let me simplify. 3 divided by 9 it's equal to 1, 9 divided by 3 it's equal to 3, 3 divided by 3 it's equal to 1, 1 times 7 and 5 you cannot simplify, 1 times 7 7, 5 times 3 it's equal to 15. 4 times 4 over 7 times 7 over 9 it's going to be, so 4 times 7 divided by 7 times 9 it's going to be 7 and 7 you simplified 1 and 1, 4 over 9 is going to be the answer of the question.